Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix incoming calls not showing on lock screen on your Samsung or Android device. First, you'll need to go into settings. By the way, I'll be showing you more than one steps, so hopefully one of them works for you. The first thing I would recommend you do after coming into settings, you're going to tap on notifications, and from here you're going to scroll down and you'll see the option notifications lock screen right at the bottom. You're going to tap right there and you want to ensure that notifications is turned on. After you have done that, you're going to go back and you're going to scroll down. And right where you see apps, you're going to tap right there. Then you're going to tap in the three dots in the top right hand corner. And you want to tap on reset app preferences. After you have done that, you're going to restart your Android or Samsung phone. And hopefully the problem is solved right there. If it isn't solved, the next thing that I would recommend you do is come back into settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select general management, and after selecting general management you're going to tap on reset. Then you're going to tap on reset all settings at the top. Then you'll tap on reset settings again, and then you'll restart your Android phone and your problem will be more than likely solved. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.